Hi there, Casey from Century 21 Novocastrian. Just thought I'd show you our landlord portal, what you can see, the 24/7 access, so you can see everything that's happening, giving you complete transparency in the management of your property. So you do get an invitation email. It looks like this about joining Property Tree. If you have other properties, whether they're with another agent or within our agency, and you already have access to a Property Tree portal, you can actually just use the login with the same credentials, so your same email address and password, and it'll automatically link both properties together. If you are new to Property Tree or for an investment property and you don't have an account, you just click the Join Now button, which will look like this. So you put in your email address, the validation code. Once you put your email in there, it'll send you through a code. Password, now it needs upper, lower, and a special character, 7 spaces long. And you hit the sign up here. So this is my back end of my property. So a little happy face because the rent's up to date. So what you can see is your income and expenditure. So where the property is at. Obviously I haven't owned that property for this long and it's a bit all over the shop with the few expenses I have spent on the property. You can see the weekly rent, who the property is managed by. You can view your ownership ledger. You can filter for what period you want to see that. You can also view any reports. So any statements you've previously received, you can download those at any time. Any income and expenditure yearly reports are available on this site as well. The rent history is available. It's just giving you basically complete transparency. So you can see everything. It allows you to see what we can see from the front end of Property Tree as your property managers. The maintenance requests, so any maintenance that has come through. So yes, we use Tapi as our maintenance provider, but it also talks back with Property Tree. So you can see where it's at when it's been completed, and you can see all of that here in Property Tree. So it still gives you transparency and seeing what's been completed on the property. It's just an import. So basically it's an API feed from Property Tree to Tapi, and they talk to each other. Tapi works because you don't need a login. So when you're receiving that email to approve maintenance, it's just a click link, which is why we've gone to that platform rather than through Property Tree. So you don't have to log in to reply to accept, making it easier for you. But you can still see an overview of all the maintenance that is completed on your property through your property portal here. And any documents, now the My Documents tab allows you to download any lease agreements. So I don't have anything in here at the moment, but any lease renewal forms or any communication, whether it's saved documents, whether it's invoices, you should all be able to see all of those in there. As I said, my property is just new on this portal, so there's not a lot of details in there. You do have this messenger system where if you wanted to communicate with your property manager, you can do that through there. But that's basically a snapshot of what the owner portal is, how you can access it, and how you can see what's happening with the management of your property. If you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're happy to take your call and want to help you manage your property efficiently and effectively. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.